How to succeed in affiliate marketing. Did you know that top affiliate marketers average anywhere between $35,000 to $50,000 per month? So I'm going to share with you 3 important secrets, and if you follow them, you'll be ahead of 97% of the people. You heard me right, over 97% of the people. So let's go ahead and go to work. So I'm going to share with you very important information, and I hope you take it very seriously in case you want to go to the next step, which I'm sure you do. I know you're confused, frustrated, and overwhelmed by all that information. It's normal. Don't worry about it. I'm going to show you how to overcome it. If you're new to my channel and you like this type of information of how to make more money online or how to start making money online, because a lot of people don't know where to start and how to start, all you have to do is click the subscription button, drop a like, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the second wave of secrets that I'm going to reveal to you. Don't worry, I'm going to go on my screen and I'm going to show you exactly step by step, and I'm going to give you the blueprint of how top affiliate marketers think. Believe me, it's going to be a mind-boggling process. Now you're going to see it step by step. So I'm going to share that blueprint with you. You can take advantage right away and start making money very, very quickly. Okay, let's go ahead and start with rule number 1. And I'm talking about what the top affiliates do. Number 1 is that they avoid the noise. Most of us, when we want to start making money or generate money or maybe look at making money online, we all do the same thing. Let's say you Google or you put in a search term, how to make money online. Now, what are you going to end up with? You're going to end up with an avalanche of videos of how to make money online. And most of them, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, they're scammy. All right now we're going to go to number 2, which is hope versus hype. Now you understand that, of course, the first one is something important, which is how to avoid all the noise. Now this is very related to it, and this is going to be your gateway whether you succeed or not as an affiliate marketer or online marketer. It doesn't really matter. So this is going to be very important, so I hope you pay attention to this because we're going to go through a very important process here. Now, the first thing, when we go, let's say you're brand new, you want to go ahead and maybe start an online marketing or start an affiliate marketing, you go to Google or you go to YouTube. Most people right now go to YouTube for these things, and what they do is let's say they Google, like I said before, how to make money online or how to be an affiliate. Now, there are something that I call the hope scammers. They do have some followers, and I call them the fairy tale followers. So if you don't really understand it very well right now, I really hope that you will go back and listen to it again, because this is, if you don't understand that process, it's pretty much gonna kill your career or whatever you're trying to do. Can you make money online? Of course, the affiliate marketing industry is a $14 billion industry, but most people don't make money because they don't understand this concept that I'm going to share with you. Let's say you go and you make for example, you do make a search term for how to become an affiliate or something like that. It's very important for you to follow this. Now, what I did is I went there and I did the same thing. I don't want you to see the name of the people at this point, but I pulled some of their video. I pulled some of the thumbnails of their videos so you can see, and I can go over that, so you'll be able not to fall for these things, because they are tempting. They do a very good job. These scammers are really good. This is the first one that I'm gonna show you. Now this one says, of course, this is a YouTube thumbnail. He doesn't appear like he's scamming. He's a nice guy and what have you. I'm going to talk about this guy right here. But everything that he does is just really scammer oriented. Now, imagine this. This is a thumbnail. $30,000 a month on YouTube posting simple videos. I mean, who doesn't want to do that? Who doesn't want to do $30,000 simple videos? The really good words that you need to really spot is 30,000 a month. Simple. So make money easy. You have to make money easy. There's no such thing, guys. If that's true, everybody will be rich. So let's go ahead and just take a look at this. If we just do a simple math here, 30,000 by 12, that's $360,000. Now I want you to go ahead and ask yourself, is this possible? Is this really reasonable? Just to copy and paste, put something on YouTube and just make $360,000 a year. All right, let's go ahead and go to the second thumbnail or video that he has. It says earn $250 per day listening to music. It's the same thing. So you need to be able to pick up on these things. Make money easy. Make money right here easy just by listening. This is so easy. Obviously, when you are listening to anything, it's just easy. You're not doing any work. $250 times 30, basically, what we're gonna do is calculate per month, and then we're gonna calculate per year. So you'll make $66,000 just by listening. Okay. Now I want you to go ahead and use your own logic here. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the third one here, and this is by far is the most deceptive type of thumbnail I have ever seen. Here's why. If you take a look at here, it says every 10 second, and then he has, it doesn't show that you making $10 right here every 10 seconds. But what he did is, because he's such a good scam artist, what he did, he put a big arrow in red pointing to the $6,000. So if you skimming over, what you do is you would see every 6 seconds, $6,000. Okay, so this is specialized for that. So let's go ahead and just analyze some of this. Now I'm going to go ahead and do it for hourly, daily, monthly, and yearly. Now if you're doing it per hourly, let's go ahead and do that. You'll be making $600 an hour. Isn't that fantastic? Obviously, it's a scam. Daily, you'll be making $4,800. Now, if we do it for 30 days for a month, that's $144,000 a month. Yearly, you'll be making a wobbling $1.7 million a year. I'm going to ask you a question and then you go ahead and put it in the comment. Do you think this is real? Do you think that this person is going to show you how to make $1.7 million a year and he's just gonna go back to creating and doing the grind? And I can tell he's probably living in a really a house that, I mean, nothing fancy. I mean, it's just like a room. You don't see much in there. He's showing you how to make $1.7 million. Now I want you to go ahead and just put it in the comment area if this is possible. If that's true, everybody will be rich. Poverty will be annihilated from the face of the earth, because all you have to do is do something very simple. I didn't put in the plug-in for this guy right here because it's so pathetic, but it's, of course, it goes with the same thing. Easy money. So what happens is that 1.7, are you going to make that money? No. If that's possible, he will be actually doing that, not telling you about it, obviously, and he doesn't have to do anything else. He'll just do whatever it is. Now, some people kind of like confuse this with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing this is not an affiliate marketing up here. These are pure scams in my own thought. The reason for that, and they're very destructive, because you are right now, you go and you try to do some research of how to actually start a livelihood, be independent, have a freedom, do something in your life, and then all you get is somebody scamming you so they can money off of you. Now I'm going to show you how they make the money off of you in just a second, but I just want you to grasp this very, very well, because if you don't, then might as well, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to make any money online. As I mentioned before, that this is not a affiliate marketing at all. This is just a scam marketing. You need to be aware of that in case you're new, or in case I do have some people that they've been in there trying to do all these things. They believe in it and they ended up just being scammed. All right, as I promised, I'm going to go ahead and show you how hope scammers actually make their money. Just an FYI, the reason I call them hope scammers, because they camouflage themselves with hope. It's nothing but hype. Okay, let's go ahead and move on. They do go through a certain steps. I'm gonna go ahead and just go over that. There are like 6 steps. The first thing what they do is they create a YouTube channel. They're not smart enough to give you any value so you can become successful. They don't have that capacity. The only capacity that they have is to scam people. They want to scam people, and they find the YouTube is a great way to do it. What they do is they create video of how to get rich quick and easy, and I did show you what the formula is. They show you this is how much you're gonna make in an easy way, but just by listening to music. Okay, the second thing what they do is that they look for people like you to watch their video. What I'm talking like you, a person who wants to, looking for a hope, basically. Okay, looking for a hope so they can better their lives, better their future, be independent, and so on. And they prey on you by showing you something. Oh, you can make some money. Nobody knows it, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Sorry, should be the second. Should be the third right here. All right, number 4 is that they get paid from YouTube ad revenue. So the more you watch these things, the more you are helping them. You're watching the video for $30,000 just by watching. They are gaining more and more algorithm through YouTube. And to YouTube, the way they have it is that rewarded by YouTube revenue. That's how they make their money. So what happens here? Here's what happened. You help them make money, and they'll basically destroy your vision, destroy your livelihood that you are looking for, and they destroy your dreams. Do they care? Not a bit. Not a bit. And when they finish with that video, they'll be laughing at you. I know some people that they do that. And then what happened? You lose, they win. This is how they actually do it, by tricking people to watch their video, by showing them something, money. Okay, everybody wants money, and then everybody wants to do it the easy way. But you have to look at reality. There are laws for this universe that we live in, and there's nothing for free. There's nothing that easy that you can make $1.7 million in 1 year just by listening to music or one push button ATM machine. There is no such thing. You do have something good that I'm going to give to you right now, which is if you want a affiliate marketing product to start with that has a funnel, it has everything that you need, it also has a product, all you have to do is click up here and you'll be able to have access to it. Make sure that you watch the instruction, which I'm talking about. Watch that video, and everything else is in the link. Do not click on the link before you watch that video, because there are some important information. So make sure if you want that, all you have to do is just click up there, and I will see you at the top.